Good morning to all. Dear students, I hope that you all are keeping fine. Today we are going to discuss about the interrogative sentences. So what is interrogative sentences? It means we have to ask always questions to have, to do or to be. So come let us discuss about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Number 2, it ends in a question mark, and indirect question ends with a period. It's a full stop. There are 4 different types of interrogative sentences. That is, why questions, yes or no questions, or alternative questions, tag questions. So these are the methods of asking questions of interrogative sentences. So dear students, we can see some of the examples of about interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question, it ends with a question mark. For example, may I borrow your newspaper? Did you turn the light off? What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited New York City? So, dear students, these are the example of interrogative sentences. How we can use interrogative questions to someone else. Next, we can see interrogative sentences ask a question that can be answered yes or no. Number 2, ask a question that answers who, what, when, where, why. So, are followed by only a question mark. So, it is called interrogative sentences. The interrogative sentences, this type of sentences ask a questions always. It ends with a question mark. How? What do you panda bears eat? Who studied for their test last night? How do you drive a car? So these are the questions of interrogative sentences. Next, we can see type of interrogative sentences. Yes or no interrogative questions that can be answered with a yes or a no response. For example, are you ready to go? So here, yes, I am ready to go. Did you go to the game Friday night? So dear students, these are the type of interrogative questions. Number 2, alternative interrogatives are questions that provide for 2 more alternative answers. How? For example, would you prefer chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Should I call or email you? So these are the sentence of type of questions of interrogative sentences. Number 3, why interrogative sentences begin with a why word and can call for an open-ended answer. They begin with what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. So these are the questions how to ask the interrogative questions. So the answer can be a simple response or complex explanation. For example, what are you doing? Which songs do you like best? So these are the questions of asking type of interrogative sentences. Number 4, tag questions. What is tag questions? Tag questions are attached or tagged onto the ending of a declarative statement. They transform a declarative sentence into an interrogative sentence. For example, you live in the city, so don't you? We need to get going now, don't we? So this question is a tag questions. So these type of questions we are asking in our interrogative sentences. So dear students, next we can see about the subject and verb agreement. What is the subject and agreement? Singular subjects must have singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. So we have to remember always this statement of the subject verb agreement. Singular subjects must have singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. Number 1, the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. For example, you were invited to come. Number 2, you are asked to clean the room. You sing so well. So, dear students, here were or sing is the pronoun. So, it is a plural verb. Next, number 2, we can see if a sentence begins with a here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. For example, here are the ways on how to preserve meat. Number 2, there is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. So, dear students, here are and is a sentence of the subject verb agreement. So, next number 3, if two subjects, one single or one plural, are connected by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. For example, number 1, neither the players nor the coach is joining. Number 2, either the conductor or the singers are attending the concert. So, these are the subject verb agreement. Number 4, a singular subject followed by intervening words or phrases such as with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together with, and no less than takes a singular verb. For example, number 1, Jack, accompanied by his sisters, is enrolling in PCC. So, this is the example of the singular subject followed by the intervening words or phrases. Number 2, Daddy as well as my brothers is enjoying the party. So, this sentence is a singular subject followed by the intervening words. Next, we can see number 5, singular subjects joined by and required a plural verb except when they mean one thing. For example, Laurie and Mercy are reading novels. So here the sentence is simplifying the singular subject joined by an and required a plural verb. So number 2, we can see my teacher and friend is here. So here and is it is mentioning about the singular subject joining by and require a plural verb. It is a subject verb agreement. Next we can see, dear students, I hope that you all understood the subject verb agreement and interrogative sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day.